Oh hey, I was just putting together an example server for class. My name is Quincy, and I'm the instructor for the last mile at Indiana Women's Prison, and we're looking for volunteers to mentor our students. Being a mentor means providing a bridge to the community, sharing your skills, whether they be business knowledge, programming, or soft skills. You'll have a flexible schedule, and you'll leave each day knowing that you made a tremendous impact on the students returning to the community. But don't take it from me. Listen to what other mentors have to say.
This is obviously an environment in which I'm really unfamiliar. Being in a prison, you see movies.
To me, this is very much like any other classroom experience. If it wasn't for the fact that I had to go through security to get into this classroom, I wouldn't even think that I'm in any other type of environment.
The first thing is the kind of the stereotype of what it's like to go into a prison. And, I always tell people that, it's not like that picture you have in your mind.
Interactions with the students, they're all here, they want to learn.
I will come in and just basically be here as a resource for the girls who have questions. It's really satisfying when they have something that I can solve.
They're all very heavily engaged. It's always especially fun watching them progress through the material, watching them expand from week to week.
They're just students and they're learning a skill. I've been there. They handle it in a similar way.
And the reward is watching those moments of clarity, I guess, watching when the students have those aha moments and they're able to realize that, oh, all of these puzzle pieces really do fit together.
I'm sure it helps them to get a different perspective. They've been with the instructor all day, and sometimes all it takes is another set of eyes.
Overall, the curriculum is very similar, what you might expect from an introductory class.
Sometimes they'll ask for help from me, and then they'll just start helping each other, so I'll kind of be there, but you don't always feel the need to jump in if they're still making progress on their own, because that's how you learn.
We're talking a lot of JavaScript, we're talking a lot of CSS, we're talking a lot of jQuery. Just this evening, working through a number of JavaScript problems, hooking up event handlers, those types of things. So we're still at the very basic levels on some, but we have other students that have been in the program longer that are starting to talk about Node and understand server-side JavaScript.
You're giving them a better exposure as to what it's like to actually be in the tech world. And you're kind of their little window.
Can help people really turn their lives around, and that to me has been worth every minute that I've spent inside of this facility.
My first day here meeting all the girls, they were already asking me questions about what it was like as a woman in the field, because they've had a bunch of guys teaching them so far, so I was glad that I could be that female voice.
I'd just say to anybody thinking about volunteering, I would definitely try it and just even come out for a day with one of us and experience it and see how it is. I think that if people come out to the site, then all the stereotypes and the images, those rapidly go away. Once you see firsthand and interact with the students firsthand, you really see that, it's really not a different environment. It's just the same as a normal coding academy.
For anyone who is looking for a rewarding volunteer experience, this is something I'd highly recommend. The people who are here want to be here. They're wanting to arm themselves with skills that they can use later to just basically make a better life for themselves.
There's really any aspect of tech. Doesn't have to be a developer, anything like that, just sharing business experiences. The students are really interested in all sorts of areas. And the better, more broad exposure that they get, the better it'll be for them when they go into the job market.
As you can see, our mentors really enjoy the time they spend in our classroom. We're looking for mentors for all of our Central Indiana locations. If you'd like more information on how to get started, please contact us and join us as we change lives through tech.